ready to see the reveal, how I transform my garage? Well, let's just put it this way. If you want to add a little pattern and color, why don't you try? Here it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to paint and wallpaper this fridge in my garage, because look, it's all rusted, it's gross. See this? Nasty. Now these come off, they just apparently slide off like that. So I've got those off. I'll take the handles off, and then I'm gonna prime it with some Rust-Oleum. Then we're gonna wallpaper it on Monday. So we'll see how it goes, just to spruce up the garage a little bit, and I can't stand the rust, so why not try, right? This might not work, but maybe it's a fun thing to do. We'll keep sanding for a bit. Bullseye 123 primer. It's for all surfaces, even says metal. So we're going to prime it, and then we're going to wallpaper it. And I've got a foam roller. They say that's really great. So let's see what happens. I have no idea if it'll stick, but it should. It's Rust-Oleum. Fridges are vinyl wrapped, so since you can paint over vinyl, we shall see. It's hideous with all the rust, though. I couldn't stand it anymore. So you should really wrap it like a car. You can get your fridges wrapped like a car. But I thought we'd try the peel and stick or wallpaper for fun. You could spray paint it as well, right? With spray paint. But I didn't really want to spray in my garage. So that's why I'm rolling it with a foam roller. Plus it gives a sort of even coverage. So here we've laid out the wallpaper, and we're looking at the repeat, and we're just getting it together. As you can see, it's a half drop, so you have one sheet, and then you would line it up down on the right side, and it would drop down and repeat. But this is the wallpaper we've used, Tropical Jungle. Here it is. Peel and stick. That's my jungle pattern on my old fridge. It was all rusted out, so I sanded it down. I took off the handles and the coverlet here, and I primed it with this Zinsser primer. It's 123 Bullseye primer. It's very good for priming things and sealing, even on metals. So we're going to get this right. Plugged it in. It hasn't peeled yet. Now, something we did do is I did do some spray glue on the edges here. Well, actually, I didn't. My wallpaper hanger did, but they sprayed it down to keep it down by the edges. This is just an old fridge in the garage. It was white, really gross. And I just felt like, hey, let's spark up the area with a little wallpaper. When I lived in Chicago, we used to, we built a new home, and we did wallpaper the garage, which I love, because I love that idea of coming home into the garage and being happy. Seeing a print on your wall always makes you happy and joyful. That's why I love wallpaper. You know, it really transforms the space, but at the same time makes it happy and colorful. So if you like this idea, let me know below. And should I do the sides of the fridge or just the front? I just have the front done now, but if you take a peek, the sides are white. Whoops. See? I'm leaning towards wallpapering the sides, but I need to order 2 more rolls to get that done, because of the repeat's fairly big on this one. But I love the Leopard, right? Go wild in your garage. Cover up your fridge. Till next time, happy wallpapering.